something here that is just very hard to understand is we went on the roof. The roof shingles are not compromised. We figured because we had a big rainstorm that we'd have blown, damaged shingles. We do not. There's no perforations, there's no tears, no rips, no missing shingles, which leads me to believe that this is something coming from these exterior walls here. One thing that I noticed is that they have a lot of air purifier misting system, a humidifier system. They have 3 or 4 of those in each room because of COVID-19, I'm assuming. And then I went ahead and inspected the windows, and we do have condensation in the windows. It's on the outside of the windows. So there's a lot of condensation. Look. Okay. So if I use a camera, infrared, you can actually see, hold on, you can actually see, let me stand back. Look at the condensation in the window, or on the window. Look at the condensation. So this is giving me a temperature differential. So you can see on the top it's not wet, and then you can see exactly where it's wet. So this is telling me that the condensation in here, the high humidity, which we were at 87%, we were at total saturation of humidity dew point because I'm assuming possibly because of the rain, compromised windows, as well as having over humidification in here. Too much humidity has caused this, in my opinion.